Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Mac is supported and firmware is up to date. That avoids mid-install fails. Next, back up with Time Machine or an external clone and verify the copy can boot. Once done, download the Mac OS Tahoe installer directly from the App Store or use Apple Configurator for enterprise images. Make sure you have 20-30 GB free and power connected. This prevents interruptions and keeps the process smooth as you move to creating a boot installer. You now create a bootable installer so you can perform a clean install or upgrade reliably. First, format a 16+ GB USB drive with GUID and appropriate file system. Use disk utility. Then run the Create Install Media Terminal command from the installer app. Enter your admin password when prompted. Once the process finishes, test the USB by rebooting while holding Option. Select the installer volume and confirm the Mac OS Utilities screen appears. You install by selecting the target disk from the Mac OS Utilities installer and following prompts. Take care to choose the intended volume. Once installation completes and the Mac reboots, run Setup Assistant or Migration Assistant to move data, then install Apple updates and any vendor drivers. Make sure to check system settings for privacy and security options. If you hit a problem, try resetting NVRAM. Boot from the USB installer to run first aid, and if necessary, reinstall or restore your verified backup to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.